Welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to register for the NHS in the UK. First, open your browser and search for Register NHS. Click on the first result, which should say Register with a GP surgery. Scroll down, and you'll see options to log into the NHS app or create a new account. Go ahead and click Create Account. Next, you'll see the eligibility requirements. Make sure you're registered with a GP surgery in England and that you're aged 13 or older. If you meet these criteria, click Continue. Now, enter your email address and click Continue. You'll then be asked to complete a quick verification step to confirm you're not a robot. Follow the instructions and submit the verification. After that, you can start creating your NHS account. Click Continue, then set up a password. Your password should be at least 8 characters long, include at least one uppercase letter, and not begin or end with a space. Confirm your password and click Continue again. Finally, just follow the remaining on-screen steps, and your NHS account will be successfully created. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe to One More Guru